what you think. It's not the story you tell yourself, not the name, not the job, not the roles that you play. Life is what's here when all of that falls away. Close your eyes, breathe, feel that quiet presence beneath the noise. That is life. It moves through you like rivers through ancient stone. It watches without judgment. It listens without needing to speak. Life is hidden in the in-between. It is the space between footsteps. It is the silence between thoughts. The color behind your closed eyes. The sound of now. We chase meaning, but meaning was never lost. It was just hiding behind our need to understand. What if there is nothing to fix? What if being here, just as you are, is already enough? The mystery isn't meant to be solved. It's meant to be lived, felt, dissolved into. So slow down, let go, fall into this breath, into this moment, into life itself.